Oh my god, babe, did you hear that? Stop, you're just being paranoid because we watched that scary movie last night. No, I'm serious. It sounded like someone was in the kitchen. Oh my god, well go check. I'm scared now. Come with me. No way. I need to stay here and protect the cat. Ugh, whatever. It was probably the wind or something. Let's just go back to bed. Wait, no, my side of the bed is closer to the door, so the bad guy's gonna get me first. Baby, if someone came into this room, they would have no chance, okay? Honey, you took like 6 months of karate when you were in the 4th grade. Yeah, and I was the best one in my class. Okay, well, I guess that... Okay, I heard it that time. See, I told you. Let's go downstairs and check things out. Okay, let's do this. You ready? Ready.